I can't keep eating that. I'm gonna turn into a dough lady. Ate so much dough yesterday. Hey everybody, I'm Lauren Toyota. I am hot for food, back with another recipe for you this week. And we're getting ready for Mom's Day this weekend. It's all about the love for your mamas, and you're gonna wanna give her something nice. Maybe bake something, make something homemade. I myself love baking for my mom or for anyone really as a gift, something to bring over to a party or a potluck or whatever. It's one of my favorite things to do. Now you recall maybe a couple years ago I did the caramel pecan cinnamon rolls for Mother's Day. Well, we're taking that and flipping it upside down and making these vegan strawberry sticky buns. So it's the same that dough recipe from the Hot for Food cookbook. We are roasting strawberries for added explosive strawberry flavor in the filling, and there's like a vanilla strawberry caramel all ooey gooey all over it. So I'll take you through all the steps, and then the coolest part, because it is a sticky bun, which is slightly different than a cinnamon roll, like you flip it and then it looks all gooey like that, and it's so yummy. Okay, let's do this. So to make the strawberry sticky bun filling, you're gonna line the baking dish you're using, which should be about 8 by 10 inches, with parchment paper. Add 1 cup of frozen and then thawed whole strawberries and combine evenly with granulated sugar. You're gonna bake this in an oven preheated to 425 Fahrenheit for 25 to 28 minutes. The strawberries should get broken down and a little darker looking, and there should still be some residual strawberry juice left in the baking dish. Continue prepping the filling by combining cinnamon, golden brown sugar, some orange zest, and freshly grated nutmeg in a mixing bowl, and then you can set this aside. To make the strawberry vanilla caramel, you'll mix together vegan butter, maple syrup, vanilla extract, golden brown sugar, and some ground cinnamon in another mixing bowl, and then set this aside as well. To finish that sticky bun filling, you're gonna transfer the roasted strawberries into a mixing bowl. Then leave the residual juice behind in the baking dish. Now mash the roasted strawberries with a fork and add vegan butter so it melts with the warm strawberries. Chill this in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Use a spatula to scrape all the leftover juice off the parchment paper and into the baking dish, and then you can discard the paper. Add the butter and maple syrup mixture into the dish and mix with the residual strawberry liquid until smooth. Then set this aside while you roll out the dough. To make that dough, you can add to a stand mixer all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, instant quick rise yeast, sea salt, a little vegetable oil, and warm water into the mixing bowl. Use the dough attachment to mix the dough until it comes together to form a ball. It should be slightly sticky and soft. Then let it rest for about 10 minutes covered with a damp tea towel before rolling out. Now roll out the dough onto a clean, lightly floured surface into a rectangle that's about 18 by 12 inches. Use an offset spatula to spread the chilled roasted strawberry and butter paste onto the dough and leave about 1 inch of one long side without any filling. Then sprinkle the cinnamon sugar filling mixture on top of the roasted strawberry paste, and then sprinkle evenly with more diced strawberries. Starting on the long side with the filling to the edge, roll the dough up tightly into a log shape. Use a knife or a dough cutter to make 12 cuts about 1.5 inches wide along the log. Place each roll into the baking dish spaced slightly apart on top of the strawberry vanilla caramel. If some of the filling falls out, that's no big deal. You can just spoon it back on top before you bake it. Now cover this with a damp tea towel and allow to proof and rise for about 1 hour. Remove the tea towel and bake in your oven that's now cooled to 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now let your sticky buns cool in the baking dish for about 10 minutes before serving. And when you're ready to serve, flip the sticky buns over onto a large platter so that that gooey strawberry vanilla caramel is now facing up. Holy moly, look at these vegan strawberry sticky buns. Boy, are they sticky, gooey strawberry stuff. It smells so good. Going in. Okay, I have to say, I think I like these better than regular cinnamon rolls. OMG! Yo, mama gonna die. Mama's gonna be like, what? These are vegan? No way. The orange, the nutmeg is like coming through strong and it's delightful. So, this is a sticky bun. That's why we put extra juice and all that stuff on the bottom so it would get all sticky like a sticky bun. Traditionally, you wouldn't serve it with a glaze, but if you really want to, you can. Also could serve it the other way around if you want and put glaze on it. Now, I quickly whipped up a powdered sugar, orange zest, and non-dairy milk or orange juice glaze, just like a little bit, because as we were rolling out the dough and putting all the messy rolls in, it started stretching and there was all this extra chunks lying around. So we stuffed it into a bread pan and made this amazing strawberry pull-apart bread. What? It's like a whole second recipe. And I was like, it needs a glaze. We're putting this glaze on this. It's a whole other recipe. So if you can, it's like 2 ways basically. And like, this wasn't even planned. This was improvised halfway through shooting. This is also so good. Just a different style, right? I love both. The strawberry is much stronger in the sticky bun version, obviously, but this is still sticky on the bottom. Look, I'll show you. It's in a regular bread pan. It's perfect. Ugh. I'm eating this whole thing. And all of these. Everything. Mom's not getting any. JK. Just butter your baking dish, I think, for this one. It gets nice and crusty on the outside. Extra butter? Why not? Vegan butter. Everyone's always calling me out on that. Everyone's always like, it's not vegan if you put cheese and sour cream and butter in it. It's like, it's obviously vegan versions. This is a vegan comfort food channel. I only use vegan products. Okay, let me just get rid of the sticky, BRB. Okay, the full written recipe is on hotforfoodblog.com. We'll give instructions for this little loaf thing too, it's easy. You might have scraps, so you could do this. Or just like really stretch your log a little bit further so you can get this. We just like rammed them into the bread pan and just like misshaped it all. And it was an accident that turned out perfect. So check that out. Lots of Mother's Day recipes online. Also in a Hot for Foods cookbook, my cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 recipes to feed your face. And I'm here every Wednesday cooking up vegan love. So subscribe to this channel. You gotta subscribe. If you're just watching for free and you're not hitting the subscribe button, like, you're not helping me. And I'm giving you all this free content. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you know when I post. But pretty much it's every Wednesday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. So whatever time that is for you, I don't know. Mark it in your calendars. Alrighty, I've also got new merch in the shop, hotforfoodblogshop.com. I made a unisex version of the Manifest Your Life t-shirt by request from all of y'all, so even the men can wear it. It's a unisex shirt, normal size t-shirt. I was promoting a crop top a while back. Everyone was complaining. I'm sorry, I do apologize. I didn't think it through. I wasn't trying to exclude anyone. It just was like, I wanted a crop top and I was being selfish. So now you can manifest your life however you like, deliberately, creatively, and veganly, please. Oh, and if mom doesn't want sweet and she's more of a savory gal, why not try making the everything danishes or the apple cheese danishes that we recently made on the channel? Big hit, she's gonna love them. Oh hey, maybe you wanna make brunch for your mom this weekend. If so, definitely check out more of the videos on this channel. Keep watching, keep binge watching. I've linked some great stuff right here, tasty stuff. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.